How to play Stumble Guys with friends. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can play Stumble Guys with friends. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started. In order to play Stumble Guys with friends, once you launch Stumble Guys, on the right hand side, you'll find the party option. Simply select that party option right there. You have two options here to create a party or to join a party. Now depending upon what your friend has told you, you can create a party and your friend can join it using the code you provide, or your friend can create a party and you can join the party using the code that your friend has provided. There are two types of party. One is a normal party that you can create. The other is a custom one where you can select a game mode like classic, team or grand picks. So whichever it is you want to confirm, just select the confirm button. You'll find your code after you click on the create button, and you have to wait, share the code with your friends and wait until they enter the room. And after you've done that, both of you can begin playing. This way you can play Stumble Guys with friends. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.